Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. Want to get things updated here. I know it's a very popular ETF to trade. And not to pat myself on the back, but definitely pat charts on the back. You know, I talked about 660 looking like it was definitely at least going to get tested, and that's exactly what happened here. Although we do have a little bit more data, so it's seemingly as though the real level of support. Now I realize it's 3 cents difference, but 657 is right where it bounced today, and 657 there is still some price history from a few days ago. So I mean, if you want to still call it 660, I would not argue about 3 cents. But right here around this level, point here being, I've talked about it as support. The chart suggests it's support, and so far so good. You know, the power of charting right here. So I'm not patting myself on the back. I am patting charts on the back, though. You can see the price pulled back here, and right around that green level, nice little bounce has happened. Now it's just a question going into tomorrow of, are the bulls going to be able to build upon this bounce? So what do I mean by build upon the bounce? I mean, okay, that sounds kind of cool, build upon the bounce, but what does that actually mean? Once again, that's what makes charts awesome, is you can take cool sounding words and actually assign numerical values to them. So really building upon the bounce has everything to do now with breaking levels of resistance. And the main level of resistance going into tomorrow, and really the remainder of the week, is twofold. And right now, both those folds are essentially the same value. You have that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And then the next level you have is just that red line that I've talked about several times before, and that's 695. So if this bounce here does actually have any sort of genuine power behind it, then yeah, the bulls can kind of prove themselves in the sense of not only being able to get up above that purple line, but then also being able to get up above that red line there at $6.95. So if you haven't connected those dots, again, 657, key level of support going into tomorrow. And then as far as seeing if, this late day bounce has any sort of genuine strength behind it, let's see if the price can push through either the 50-period moving average or better yet, even 695. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.